Hey, what's up guys, this is Mr. Robert. Welcome back. We have an unboxing today, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking this channel out. If you love Hondas or Subarus, this is definitely your channel. Please subscribe below, hit that like button, it really helps a lot. Today we're doing the Mishimoto Coolant expansion tank for the Civic Type R FK8. Let's get into it. So Mishimoto specializes normally in radiators, but they actually started making intakes and expansion tanks, oil cooler kits, and a bunch of other stuff. And the Civic Type R fell into their hands, and they noticed that the coolant tank, the stock one, is pretty bad. It's a plastic tank, and I can attach a picture of one that is pretty prone to leaking, I guess, after a lot of heat. If you do track it, it tends to kind of, the seal, I guess on the top where it connects the top and bottom, tends to kind of leak the radiator fluid and it gets stained with the green. So Mishimoto said, hey, let's make a tank that, you know, can handle the heat and stay up to the temperatures if you are racing the car, and still look at it at the same time, and this is what they came up with. So this is a direct fit for the Civic Type R FK8 2017-18, and I believe the 19 also. This is 100% aluminum. It's all welded together, and then they anodize it in like a wrinkle black. They do also make it in red, and I'll attach pictures of both of them for you in the engine bay so you can actually see what they look like, because both of them kind of this one has more of a subtle look, which is the black one, and then as you can see on the red one, when the picture comes up, that is more of a, matches the valve cover and gives a little bit more of a pop to the engine bay. So there's a couple of cool features about this. It is a straight plug-and-play design. It has all the stock mounting points and locations and all the provisions for the hoses are already there. And what's cool about this thing is you don't have to take the cap off to really check the fluid level. If you have it up to the standard level where it should be, here's a window where you can actually, the fluid will be pretty much up against that window, and you'll be able to see how high or low it is. If you pretty much can't see the fluid in there, then you know you're pretty low. Maybe you want to top off the coolant a little bit. If we turn it over, we can actually see that the Mishimoto does include a serial number and a proof of like authenticity tag, and it does have a serial number on there. There we go. That's a nice little touch in my opinion, so it kind of shows that they do some type of R&D. Well, obviously R&D, but quality control behind their product before it is boxed up. So Mishimoto did include a radiator cap also, which is cool for the kit. It does still work with the stock cap, so that's good to know also, if you do have an extra stock one, you like the look of that one better. This one is a 1.3 bar radiator cap, and as you can see underneath, it is pretty much like a standard Honda one. And they do say it is baffled inside, which I can see baffles. I don't know if the camera is going to be able to catch the baffles in there or not. I don't know if I can really get them in the picture, but I can tell you they are in there. And that's pretty cool, because again, if you are racing, which a lot of people I do know race the Type R, that'll definitely help from any type of cornering issues where maybe it's not getting fed correctly in the coolant. So that's a good thing to know. Maybe they should do that for the oil pan too. So as I said earlier, it is a plug-and-play design. It pretty much drops right in. It's a really simple install job. Probably shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes to a half hour to totally finish it up. It does include the Mishimoto lifetime warranty, and they are a really good company that stands behind their products. I'm not endorsing them in any way, or I don't get paid to do this by them. This is just another unboxing for you guys to help you out, because I do have access to these parts, so I'm hoping these unboxings help you out. Again, like that video, it really helps out, so hit the subscribe button below if you're interested in seeing other unboxings. Always comment on other products you guys might want to see, also on brands. I'm always open ears. Thank you for watching, guys. Appreciate all the support. Talk to you later. Bye.